All right, folks, before I go into the stocks we'll be watching tomorrow for some potential day trades, a couple things. One, the market is closed on Monday. I wanted to remind everybody of that. And then two, I wanted to go over a call by Alan H today that was just, I love the simplicity of it. It wasn't a huge gainer, maybe 3R, I think, but the simplicity of it is what I love. So this is the opening candle today, opening 5-minute candle today. So we look back to yesterday, and you see the high was 40.50. So you got a half number inflection point possibly, right? So what does it do? It comes up right here, touches 40.50 again. So right when that happens, it pulls back. You've got what we define in our trading course as a 2-day high break, which I know sounds a little bit weird in the wording, but it was yesterday's high and today's intraday high, and then a clean pullback, okay? And it's in play. So Alan H spotted that, noticed it, and gave the idea over 40.50, the 2-day high break, the intraday high plus also yesterday's high, and a half number inflection point. It breaks it right there. Stop goes below the previous candle, which was 40.02. So I'll just round down and say 50 cents risk. But I don't think you were ever underwater, and it went to 42. So it went up $1.50, and you were really never underwater. You were risking 50 cents, yes, but it's just a simple trade. Nothing tricky about it at all. And I'm covering it because I like to cover the huge movers, but I also like to cover the low risk, simple setups that was just A+ all day long, and a great post by Alan H. And he does that a lot, by the way. Let me slide this up for new members. Pause the video and read that. And now I'm going to go into the watch list for tomorrow. DJT, I liked this a lot more when it was, we had a green candle here. And then at the end of the day, I'll show you 5-minute candles. Kind of got a harsh sell-off. Before that, I really loved the daily going into tomorrow. But anyway, still kind of interesting flagging up there, right? So that one goes on long watch. RZLV, kind of a sleeper pick, but nice volume today. And coming off of recent lows. FSI, nice breakout today. Maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. VRME. Pretty good range here, right? It's not a clean chart. Certainly interesting over 5, but the daily or the intraday ranges have been pretty big, and it's certainly an in-play stock. So it goes on watch. SYM gapped up today. Closing below its open, but big volume. I still want to watch it. SERV, SERV. I don't love this, but it's kind of an in-play stock, and I want to keep it on watch. It's certainly not a clean chart set up there. DATS keeps getting these volume spikes, so it goes on watch. KPLT, also nice little breakout today. We're going to watch that one. I'm going to cancel that one. Let me look at RR. RR is just a stock that was really strong and is holding up pretty well, but there's no clean chart set up there either. Just the robotic plays are kind of in play right now. Rumble also had a nice bounce today. RUM, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. NRXP goes back on bounce watch. Apple goes on bounce watch just because you don't see too many days where Apple gets slapped like this. I like it more if it can get down to the 220 area, but still want to keep an eye on it. Sometimes when you get a big day like that in a stock like Apple, you get a snapback bounce the next day. And now some potential gappers. NUKK had news in after hours. Closed at 20.53. Right now, as I'm talking to you, it's trading at $28. I'm a little annoyed with myself. I feel like I could have got that at 22. I saw the news and hesitated, and then it took off. But certainly be on watch tomorrow. ISPC, nothing clean here except in after hours. As I'm talking to you, is trading at about 350. So we'll see if it's still gapping. And VS in after hours is trading at 255. It went all the way up to 325. So if that one's still gapping, also interesting. All three of those had news in after hours. That's it for me. I'll see you in chat.